Well, here we are with our project car. It's a Range Rover, a full-size Range Rover, that is, the L322, and this fix only works for the full-size Range Rover from the mid-2000s. Now, to test your rear view camera, go into the diagnostic menu. To do that, go into the home menu, hold the top of the screen for 10 seconds, and then the sat-nav button for 10 seconds, then enter the code 253. Go into the video input test and select the rear view camera, and as you can see here, we don't have a working rear view camera. So take the back off the cover off the boot, so exposing the windscreen wipers, and get at the cables that are connecting the top of the boot lid on. You can see three cables here. One of them is a brake light, one of them is the rear view camera, and one of them is a power to the rear view camera. Now unscrew the 3 bolts holding on the back panel. It's a 10mm spanner that you're going to need. Do it carefully, otherwise you're going to be scratching that paintwork. There we go, and then just pull forward the back of the panel here. Then you'll see that there are 3 little clips, plastic clips as well, holding it on. It'll make a nasty graunching sound, but will eventually come off. So there you go, we can get at it. That means we can see the rear view camera, but to lift off the whole thing, you've got to pull the wires out of the little grommet, so you can see that they've come loose, and put it down on a nice blanket. So, the camera's broken, so we need a new camera. I picked one off on eBay. Just get a rear view camera, but it's got to be NTSC format, and these can be quite hard to get hold of. But when you've got hold of your nice rear view camera, and the cat's had a good look at it, pop it down, and then cut the cables off. This can be a little bit painful, but it's only about £2 or £3 for each camera. There you go. Good. We have a camera, and then separate it, take the insulation off, and make sure that you've got the 3 wires exposed. Yellow is the video, red is obviously power, black is neutral or ground. Okay, back we go. Stuff the wires back into the little connector. It's on a 4-way connector. There are 2 connectors for ground, a positive and video. Now I found it helped to actually tin the wires here, but I actually burnt out a camera because the soldering iron wasn't earthed. Make sure you earth the soldering iron, otherwise you're going to be burning up a lot of these little cameras that don't have any earthing protection. Great, pop it on, and then reassemble the top of the boot lid, connect the cables on. There you go, that's the video cable, and then connect the power on as well, just to make sure that it's all working. Bolt it back onto the car, and then we can actually test it. So once again, go back into the diagnostic menu, and you should hopefully see that you've got a working video.